Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful home is situated in the highly sought after community of Kirkland Heights, Kingston 19. The property boasts 13 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, with breathtaking view of the city and its environs. It has 2 entrances and sits on approximately 1 acre of land. This property is currently a multi-level income earner consisting of 7 units and is prime for Airbnb or individual rentals. The main house consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It takes 5 to 7 minutes from the bottom of the hill to the property. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 180 million or US $1.17 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.